Hello everyone. Welcome to your first lesson on Python programming. In this course, I'm going to introduce you to the Python programming and teach you this exciting language from zero in the easiest and most understandable way possible. I have prepared the files which will be used during this course, and you can download them from description. Today we're going to talk about three simple things. What is Python? Why did I choose Python for you? A little history about Python. What is Python? Python is a programming language. That means it's a way we can talk to computers to make them do things like do math, organize data, create websites, make games, or even control robots. What makes Python special is that it's very easy to read and write, almost like English. Here's a simple example. Print hello world. That one line of code tells the computer to show the words hello world. And that's your first step into programming. That's cool, right? A lot of effort has been put into preparing these lessons and course. Please support the channel by subscribing. Just click the subscribe button. Thank you. Why did I choose Python for you? First of all, it's easy to learn. Python uses simple words and structure, so you don't get lost in confusing symbols. Python is very popular. Big companies like Google, Instagram, and Netflix use Python. That's useful everywhere. You can use Python for data science, web development, making apps, and automating tasks. Python has great community. There are lots of tutorials, videos, and helpful people online if you ever get stuck. Python is like learning the English of the programming world. Once you know it, you can do so much more. Okay, I want to tell you a short history of Python. Python was created in the late 1980s by a man named Guido van Rossum from the Netherlands. He wanted to make a language that was easy to understand and fun to use. He named it Python, not after the snake, but after a funny British TV show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. That's why Python sometimes uses fun examples in tutorials and jokes in its documentation. The first version of Python was released in 1991, and it has only grown more popular since then. So, to sum it up, Python is a friendly and powerful programming language. It's great for beginners and pros alike. It was created to be simple, clear, and fun. In the next lesson, we'll write our first real Python programs together. But for now, just know that you're starting a journey in one of the most exciting and beginner-friendly languages out there. Please ask your questions in comment section and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Thank you and get ready for Learn Python. See you in the next lesson.